Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Engineer's Guide. Today we are talking about the Autopulse Z10 agent release control system, and this actually is just as the same as the Simplex. Okay, so let's open it up and see. Actually, I removed the cover of it, and as you can see, this is the overview of the panel with its batteries, and this has been labeled so that it will be easy and be able to be identified like that. Okay, so now we start with the overview of it. You could see from here, this is what we call the solenoid valve. That's the first one. So on the description of the board, we have rack 1, and the second one is rack 2, the third one is NAC 1, and the last is NAC 2. Okay, so from then you will come here as the zone 1, zone 2, the DPS, the LPS, zone 3, zone 4. Okay, so you could see from here the zone 3 has been put either water flow for the foam system and DPS for the Novak or FM200, and the zone 4 we put LPS. Okay, so zone 4 is LPS, zone 3 is DPS, and from here this is the abort switch, the MRS, and here is the power supply, 24 volt supply for making the interfaces and to just connect some of the bells that wouldn't be able to light up because of the power that is going to be used. So then it has to have an external power supply. Okay, like for instance, for this one, the light inside, it was put here at where you could just put the first alarm, second alarm. So on here they put it as the light inside. So whenever the interface works, then the supply is going to be taken from this side, okay, to just work. So this will just be working as a relay, and this is the power supply. So in case of any activation, then it will give the signal. So the principle is just the same as how relays work, and this is an external board of which where the interfaces are connected. So from here you could see that CTK7 is the discharge alarm monitored by an end of line, and the second stage CTK6 5 is the second stage alarm, and we have the first stage alarm, and we have the last one to be the trouble stage. All is being monitored by an end of line. You could see that all from here, the end of line is being put in the systems. Okay, so there is nothing like any resistor here. All has been removed and just put. This is the base. This is basically how it's supposed to be done. Okay, now these are the batteries. The supply is 12 volts, 9 amps. This is the power supply unit from here. So now the power supply, the board is being, there is fuse that is supervising or just as a control measure. So in case there is high voltage that's more than 3 amps, the fuse is going to break. So then the panel will be preserved. Okay, here is the power for external, the battery supply, positive and negative being connected here. And so this is mostly the overview of the Autopulse Z10 Autopulse Z10 fire suppression system. Okay, now from here you could see the program, and from this side you will find how to program the system. So you can see the programming. Okay, whenever there is one program switch of which you need to just place the program switch on to on position, press acknowledge to acknowledge the programming mode. So this is when you would want to program the system. It's easy, and this is the overview of all the system, the rack circuit, the rack NAC 1, RAC 2, as we talked about the NAC 1, NAC 2, the IDC 1 is for the zone 1, IDC 2 is for the zone 2, IDC 3 is for the DPS, IDC 4 is for the LPS, the SPM1 is for the abort switch, and SPM2 is for the manual release. So then you could see the power supply, the 24 volt power supply, and this is the program switch. So quickly let's see it from the board. So you could see that the program switch is just at the far right side. Okay, so let's check on the board itself. So from here you could see the program switch is here. Okay, it's in off mode. So immediately you push to on mode, that is when you could start. Okay, so this is the external charger and the supply. So this is it all for this system, this Autopulse or the simplex. What you need to know about it. It's also, it can be used for Novec system, FM200 systems, form systems, deluge system, and whatever that you have. It can be able to use. So far as it's fire suppression system, it works properly, very well, and it's quite easy to use also, the usability. Let me know in the comment section the troubles, the faults, and the issues that you are facing whilst using this panel, and we will find a way to just help you out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye. So from here, this is the cylinder that the solenoid has been connected to. This is the discharge pressure switch that we spoke about, and here we have a disablement, fire suppression, disconnect or disable. So this, in case you would want to test, you have to disable it, so to prevent any discharge. But as for me, when I would want to test anything here, the best thing is to remove the solenoid, so then I would not have any regrets in case it fails, because it's a system. So this is the cylinder. It's a sapphire from Tyco. Okay, and this is the agent weight, the tire weight, and the details of it. So this is actually the cylinder, the installation, how it is.